Well, hi, so my name is Kamran, and this digital marketing course is all about how someone can become an expert in YouTube video ads. So, we start our journey with 8 different topics, starting with how do you run YouTube ads, how do you make a media plan for YouTube, what all campaigns we have in YouTube, starting with skippable, non skippable, in feed, bumper, shorts, and subscription campaign. So, using all of these 6 different topics, my goal is to make you an expert in YouTube video ad marketing. So let's start with how do you run YouTube video ads. Now, even before we think about launching all the campaigns, there's a requirement that we need. It's all about having a video to be uploaded on YouTube channel. So if we don't have a video uploaded on YouTube channel, we cannot launch any campaign in Google, any campaign of YouTube in Google, in fact. Once we have the video uploaded, we can simply start with launching Google ad account first. So we have to get into ads.google.com, and once the account is available, we can start making all the campaigns one by one. But even before making the campaigns, we have to understand something which is very, very important. This is called as media planning, a YouTube ad media planning. So if I walk you through the definition, then media planning is a complete digital marketing plan which includes the performance parameters for the project. So it simply means even before we launch all the campaigns in YouTube, even before we launch any ad in YouTube, we have to make a plan for all the campaigns. And this plan is going to have the entire marketing budget, all the type of campaigns, the placements, the number of views or clicks, the target audience for that project, the average amount that we are paying for one single view, the cost for each and every campaign, impressions for each and every campaign, and finally, what returns, sales, or subscription we are expecting from those campaigns. So, media planning is a blueprint that client ask creators or client ask agencies or maybe digital marketing experts to make when you apply for any project. So even before you launch any campaign, even before you do any marketing activity for the project, you are expected to have this media plan. So through this media plan, you tell a client how much budget you are expending, how many campaigns you are running, and then finally what returns this client can expect from you. If you don't have a media plan, it's like you don't have a plan to navigate a ship. You don't have a blueprint to make anything. And then it becomes very difficult for you to launch all of these campaigns. So I have this habit of making a media plan for any project that I start doing in digital marketing. So in this video, we are going to understand how do you make media plans for YouTube ads. Now, once you have the media planning available, then we can get into the first campaign or first ad type in YouTube. This one is called as skippable in-stream ad. And because it says skippable, and it means this in-stream ad is something which you can skip. And in fact, it's a very annoying ad that you get in YouTube. So when you get this ad in YouTube, then you have this skip ad button in YouTube. In fact, this is the most serving ad in YouTube. You get this ad maximum types in YouTube. So when you're watching any video in YouTube, what simply happens, this ad rolls up and you have to wait at least for 5 seconds. And then you get this option to skip this ad because it's skippable and also because it's coming while something is streaming in your mobile device or maybe in the desktops. That's why it's called as skippable in stream ad. The second form of streaming ad is called as non-skippable in stream ad. Now this is more annoying because you can't even skip this ad. You have to wait for at least 15 seconds until this video ad gets completed. And once this ad gets finished, then only you can get to watch your video on YouTube. So after finishing both of these skippable and non-skippable in-stream ads, we have the next ad, which is called as YouTube in-feed video ad. Now this campaign of YouTube in-feed video can show this ad at 3 different places. In fact, if you have a client who want to show the ads in YouTube search results, when someone is searching for any movie or any video or maybe any activity in YouTube, then this ad places right below the YouTube search bar. And once you have this ad placed, then person can watch this video or he can watch the next videos in YouTube. Secondly, this ad also gets placed while someone is browsing the YouTube feed. So what we do as a user, we go to YouTube app or we go to YouTube desktop link, and then we keep scrolling. We keep checking out which is the next video that you want to watch. So while we are browsing through the feed, this video ad somewhere comes in between. And then this video can be watched by us. And that's why it's called as in-feed video ad. Third, it's also going to come at the watch next page. Watch next means when you're watching a video, then a next video can be recommended by YouTube so that the video ad can be shown somewhere to the next of anything that you're watching. So this in-feed video campaign can show the ads at three different places. This is something which does not happen with any campaign in YouTube. And then we have the next campaign, which is called as YouTube Short Ads campaign. In fact, this is the recently launched campaign by YouTube. So if you have someone or if you have a client who want to show the ad to people who are consuming the content in shorts. Now nowadays everyone is just consuming very heavy content in YouTube. I think I also watch YouTube shorts for at least 1 to 2 hours a day. I'm really it's really annoying. I don't want to watch these YouTube short ads. And I guess you also don't want to watch these YouTube short ads, but these are very appealing sometimes. And then you can't stop yourself from watching these ads. So if you have a client who really want to show the ads to people who are consuming YouTube Shorts, you can simply launch a YouTube Shorts ad campaign. The next one is called as YouTube bumper ads. Now this one is again a non-skippable ad, an ad copy which you cannot skip while watching anything, but at least this is available only for 6 seconds. So when this ad appears on your device, you have to wait for 6 seconds and then you can simply watch your video once this ad gets finished. This ad is majorly made for spreading awareness in the market. Companies want to show any message in the market only in the duration of 6 seconds. Then we have the next one, which is called as YouTube subscription campaign. Now, if you have a client of yours or if you have a channel for yourself and you simply want to increase subscribers of this channel. In fact, I get a lot of clients who want to increase subscribers of their YouTube channel. The music companies, maybe the influencers, all of these people are looking forward to increase subscribers. And then it's very difficult sometimes to increase the subscribers. So you have this campaign available in YouTube, which is called as YouTube subscription campaign. So all you have to do is to link your YouTube channel with the Google Ad account, and then you can launch subscription campaign. And this campaign start getting the subscriptions for any YouTube channel in the industry. And then we have the next slide, which is all about what I'm expecting you to do after watching all these videos in the series. So first of all, I have made videos for each and every campaign. All of these videos are available after this video. And then I want you to watch all the videos. After watching the video, I want you to visit ads.google.com and start making all 6 different campaign types. Now there are two scenarios. One, you are good to go. You will be able to make all the campaigns and then you become an expert in YouTube. Or else you're facing some challenges to make these campaigns. Now, just in case if you're facing the challenges, I want you to come into this video ad training sheet. Now here we have the video ad training sheet. This sheet is gonna have all the topics for video ad training one by one, starting with YouTube video ads overview, media planning. Like the same topics are available over here. But then against all these topics, we have the PPTs, we have video links, and then we have the exercises for each and every topic. So you're expected to complete all of these exercises so that you can become an expert in YouTube video ads. We have another subsheet which is called as entire media planning sheet. We have the sheet that includes the video ad types, bidding types, and finally the targetings that we have in YouTube. So you're expected to become an expert after going through this video ad training sheet. Then I end this video with a quote in digital marketing, which is called as marketing is no longer about the stuff that you make, but the stories that you tell in YouTube.